nothing really exciting has happened. We actually have a new channel now, another video. Within the next couple days we'll explain all that. So really happy about that and everything. So if you watch our videos, thank you. Can't stress that enough. Just keep watching them, share them, like them, subscribe, tell your friends, whatever it is y'all do. Oh, and sadly we start school back on Tuesday. Today's Sunday. I'm holding the camera with my right hand, so I don't know, because I usually hold it with my left, so I don't know if I am on my face or not. I'm going on a walk with Toby. Toby! My headphones are dragging behind me. Toby, how do you always do this? Okay, come on. This way, Dumbo. No, I'm starting to think people are getting more comfortable with me vlogging. I know my friends are fine with it. I haven't really told my family because that's just, I mean, my mom knows, but I haven't really done it in front of her because that's just feels weird. But I'm hoping, like, I'm gonna, like, once we get, like, bigger and, like, better at this, then I will tell people, because Toby, you're walking on a leash. Pick up your foot. Oh, now you got it under both of your... Sometimes it's harder than I thought it was. Maybe this outfit wasn't such a good idea for outside. And if you're a freshman and you're looking for some tips, or you're just anybody in high school who needs some high school tips, check out one of our videos. It's tips for high school. It should help. You have some pretty nice tips on how to survive the high school year. Things, what to do, what not to do, stuff like that. I will put the link in the description for the high school tips video. It'll be down in the description, so if you were interested in that video, go check it out. And if you weren't interested, you should still check it out. I mean, it's a pretty cool video. It's a good video. Very educational, I guess. I don't know. Not really educational. It's just... Oh, car coming back. Olivia and I were playing baseball here the other day, and I lost a baseball in those woods. Because that's how good of a thrower I am. Threw it right into the woods, and it's gone. We tried looking for it, it's not there. I don't care. I mean, we have more, but you know, I realized that we never really said what we, like, who inspired us to vlog, I guess, or what gave us the idea, besides that we want to kind of document our sophomore year and everything. Maybe go farther with this. So, I mean, if you think it's a good idea, well, I mean, we'll probably do it anyway, but if you think that we should say, you know, some of the people, make a video dedicated to the people that we, who inspired us to do this, stop, hammer time, nah, 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 nah. Oh, wait, or is it stop in the name of love? Or could it be stop, collaborate, and listen? I don't know. I never know when people tell me to stop. I don't know which one it is. Look at that sexy abandoned house on our street. It's very classy. Don't you want to live here now? It was a nice house before it got abandoned. Hey, look, it's my house. Ooh. Home sweet home. Family. It's my grandma and great-grandma. I didn't know they were coming today.
Newspaper I pulled out. She wiped out all the cherries.
Pepper.
It was a... Already? Oh, yeah.
Princess.
Pretty good. My expecting company? Matter of fact, I am. Anybody good? No. What a lap you'll have.
When I tell you,
Oh, tell me.
my gosh.
The little maggot.
Pastor Tom's gone for the whole month, but he came back. He was there. Pastor Tom did his sermon, but Pastor Tom, because I just think it's something he takes a month, 2 months a year. He takes the month of February.
There's a bee circling my head. Where'd he go? Brother. It's my brother. That's my brother. I'm gonna shoot these arrows into those things and try to get through it. One already bounced off. It didn't go through. It's right there. I'm so bad at this. Clearly, I am so good at this. I have given up, and now I'm getting this close because I'm tired of missing. Look! It went through! Wow! Wow! It's bleeding! Wow! Already recording. Whoa! Don't worry, I'm gonna put that in slow.
Where did it go?
I don't know. I'm putting that in slow motion.
Oh, there it is. It's in the ground.
Oh, yeah.
It's going so fast you can't even... It started filming it. Okay.
Huh?
It went in, and then a couple seconds later, it went in on the video.
That's what I'm talking about. Got some serious tennis going on right now. Oh, you can't even see the ball. Did she get that point? Did Olivia get that? Whoa, wrong person, Olivia. She threw the ball to me. Here you go. Won! Olivia, you won!
Okay, guys, when I get home, I'm gonna watch some Jedi Mom.
Okay.
We're gonna have to.
Where the grass is really greener. There must be something in my water. Laying underneath the palm tree.